a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my CC, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. All we know we fall in love, we kissing, boo. I'm feeling you feeling me. All we know we fall in love, we kissing, boo. Yeah, good loving with the living, boo. Yeah, yeah. You don't need no other body. 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 Only if you want my body. Only if you want my body. Come on, get it. 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 Yeah. I'm no more fighting. I'm gonna fight for you. Tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Star boy, whiskey, no they tire. Yeah. I'm proud of you for it today, tomorrow, baby. Without you, nobody day. I'm proud of you for it today, tomorrow, baby. Without you, nobody day.
Guys, in today's video, we're gonna look at how to mix your vocals to sound like Wizkid. I mean, if you wanna mix your Afrobeat, then this video gonna help you. All you need to do is to stick to the end, and at the end of this video, you're gonna know how to use auto-tune too as well. If you're a beginner, even if you're a pro, make sure you watch this because you're gonna learn something at the end of this video. I'm gonna combine waves plugins together with default stock plugins from Cubase. You can follow this and mix your song using any DAW. Think of Pro Tools, FL Studio, Cubase, Studio One, any DAW. I mean, any DAW that you are using, you can actually follow this and mix your Afrobeat to sound like Wizkid. I mean, Afro vibe. Ready? Let's do this right after the intro. Alright, so guys, we are in Cubase now, and I'm using Cubase 5. I mostly record my tracks using Cubase 5. Yeah, DAW doesn't matter, so what you are okay with, you can actually stick to that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stick to this, and let me loop this section. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if it helps you. So we're gonna use this particular section.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body back.
For you to achieve a great mix, what I'm gonna tell you is to always record clean vocals. Make sure you treat your room before you record any audio. Alright, so I'm gonna mute the instrument and now listen to these vocals.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo.
It's simple. So what I'm gonna do is to bypass all the effects, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step. You ready? We're gonna do this. All right, so let's mute all the effects here, then I'm gonna explain them to you whilst I'm introducing them. Super simple, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So let's listen to the audio without any effect. You are finding it difficult to even hear the vocals, right? So make sure you use good headset and monitors before you can actually get the right result. Alright guys, so the very first thing I did was I introduced the auto-tune on the same track that I recorded, and I was using auto-tune 5. Alright, so the key for this particular song is A minor. That's pretty simple. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, watch the video to the very end because I'm going to take you through step by step. Alright, so I started with this auto tune. Let's listen to that on our vocals.
You make me feel alright, crazy, yo.
So right after the intro, I wanted to compress the vocals. Alright, I need to hear the vocals so that I can actually do a whole lot of stuff on that. So what I did was I created a group track. As you can see over here, group 1. You can actually call it any name. So I'm going to call this the lead vox. Alright, so you can give it any name, and I routed this particular audio track to the lead vox over there. Alright, simple like this, and as you can see,
yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy.
Alright, so why am I doing this? If you decide to insert all the plugins right on this particular track that you recorded, then you're gonna face challenges in terms of your CPU. So we want to free up some space and also prevent any crashing of CPU. We don't want that. All right, so what I'm going to tell you is to always create a group track and add your effect on that. So let's move on to the group track. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So the very first thing I introduced was compressor, and this was my compressor settings. All right, I gave it about -22 threshold, and I'm using ratio of 2. And this was my makeup gain. You can see this fast attack and slow release. If you don't know how to use compressor, I have a full video there, guys. Go and watch that, and that's gonna help you. So let's listen to that, the compressor and the auto tune on our vocals.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy.
So as you can hear, right after this compressor, we are now hearing the vocals a little bit. All right, so that's the work of the compressor. At a certain point, artists will sing loud, and at a certain point they will sing low, and we use the compressor to set a particular threshold that any volume that is below that threshold, the compressor gonna compress it to that particular threshold, and any frequency above that threshold, the compressor gonna compress it to come down. If you want to know much about compressor, I have a full video there taking you through step by step. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos, go back to my previous channels and watch how to use compressor if you're a beginner. So guys, listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy.
So if you watch it, this is the input, what we gave, all right, and this is the output, what the compressor is giving to us, and you can see the output level is higher compared to the input level. Watch it once again.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy.
So now we are getting this particular volume from the compressor. Next thing, let's move on to the lead vox. Next thing I introduced was the HEQ stereo from Waves. And guys, you know what we use the Waves EQ for, or you know why we have to EQ our vocals. We use the EQ to clean up the vocals, take away any bad frequency that we don't want in our mix, and also boost any frequency that we want in our mix. If you want to know much about EQ step by step, this mix I'm using stock plugins together with Waves plugins. All right, so I cut off some of the low ends as you can see here, and I boosted some of the around 9k heads, and also this one I didn't boost the high ends. All right, so let's listen to this particular EQ. I'm gonna mute the beat for now. Listen to the EQ and the compressor.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy.
Without the EQ, listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy.
Without the EQ, you can actually hear that there are noise in the vocals and also bad frequencies. So we use the EQ to clean up the vocals. Once again, let's listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel. I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy. Your body bad, oh my lady. So sexy, my sissy.
So this is super simple. You can see my settings over here. I'm using Wave HEQ stereo. Next thing I introduce was this Maserati. All right, so guys, I wanted to hear the vocals well, so right after compressing with the default stock plugin, I also created FS track, guys. So for me to hear the vocals well, I created the Maserati EFX, and I'm using this Maserati GNRP mono, and I'm going to show you how to use this. All you need to do is to create it as FS channel track. All right, and make sure you load that Maserati. Where's Maserati mastering? Then just look for Maserati GNRP mono or stereo. All right, so I've already created that. I'm not going to create that. And right after that, what you need to do is to select the lead vox group, and guys, as you can see, you can use the Maserati to add a little bit boost to your vocals. Listen to this.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby. You make me feel alright, crazy. Your body bad, oh my.
So I want you to listen whilst I play with this knob here, all right, how much we are sending to the group track. Listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sis.
So now you have heard the difference, all right? So without the Maserati, listen to this vocals.
I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo.
And with the Maserati,
Yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love.
and with the Maserati GRP mono, listen to that.
Fall in love, we kissing. I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing. Yeah, good loving with the living good. Yeah, I got a love for.
That's pretty simple, guys. So right after that, let's go back to the lead vox. So right after that, guys, I introduced the gate, and you know I'm using the default gate from Cubase, and I chose this preset clean lead vox, all right, and this was my threshold. You know, we are using the gate to set a particular threshold so that some of the frequencies can pass through, and also control the background noise that took place whilst recording the vocals, all right.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo.
Alright, so guys, right after that, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I added the auto tune 8.1 over here, and I decided to take it off, but watch the video because I'm going to show you something. Right after that, I decided to EQ the vocals using this particular section over here, all right. So I cut off some of the low ends and boosted the 5k ends a little bit, but you're gonna do something here. We also boosted the 20k ends, the high ends a little bit. You want to do that. If you want to know much about EQ, I have a full video there. Now listen to this.
I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah.
Without it, listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy.
And with that, listen.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing. I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing.
That's pretty simple, guys. Right after that, I wanted to widen up the vocals, so I created this stereo enhancer FX, and this is also stock plugin from Cubase. You know, the more you increase the weight, the more stereo you are giving to your vocals or your mix. All right, let's listen to that.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel.
Alright, you're gonna enable it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright, and I'm sending it to about negative 15 dB.
Feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing. Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo.
Alright, so now you can hear the difference when I drag the weight all the way down.
I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy.
I'm gonna pull this all the way up. Listen whilst we do that.
Yeah, I got a love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my.
So make sure you use good headset and monitors to hear the difference. Alright.
My sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing. I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing.
Alright, guys. So right after that, I created the reverb effects. Alright, and I'm using reverb B from Cubase. Alright, reverb B, and this was my settings. The room size, I didn't give it all that much. Alright, then the timing, the damp, I'm going to redo this. Alright, and also if you want to know much about reverbs, the cheat code when using reverb, and watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch that. And guys, I'm EQing the reverb. This is one trick that you need to put in your mind. Always EQ your reverb so that you can control the frequencies from the reverb. Alright, super simple. Subscribe and give the video a like. And now I'm sending it to the lead vox over here about -8. So let's mute the volume whilst we control the amount of reverb.
Yeah, I got some love for you, baby, yo.
Now you hear the reverb.
Yo, you make me feel alright, crazy, yo.
Without it,
Yo, your body bad, oh my lady, yo.
and with the reverb.
Yo, so sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing, but I'm feeling you feeling me.
That's pretty simple. And guys, I went back to the audio, and over here I introduced mono delay, and I'm using this preset called sweet vocal delay. Right, super simple. And now you can hear the delay too as well.
Yeah, I got some love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo.
That's super simple. So guys, let's add the beat and listen to this mix. Now that you know how to mix your vocals to sound like Wizkid, I mean, think of any Afro song that you are mixing. Watch the next video to know how to use mixing preset in FL Studio. Let's listen to the vocals once again. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Comment, let me know what to add to this particular project, what to take off, what you are taking home. Let me know where you are watching me. Until that, listen.
Yeah, I got some love for you, baby, yo. You make me feel alright, crazy, yo. Your body bad, oh my lady, yo. So sexy, my sissy, yo. Yeah, I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing, boo. I'm feeling you feeling me. Oh, we know we fall in love, we kissing, boo. Yeah, good loving with the living, boo. Yeah. You don't need no other body. 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 Only if you want my body. Only if you want my body. Come on, get it. 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 I'm no more fighting. I'm gonna fight for you. One more tonight you go fly high, super fly. I really wanna hear you say fire. Star boy, whiskey, no they tire, yeah. I'm proud of you for it today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day. I'm proud of you for it today, tomorrow, baby, without you, nobody day. She said I will deliver, I am hers forever. She be my queen of Shiva, so I keep it on a low, where I know the Shiva. Happy wife, happy life, your smile is amazing. Keep me believing, resist to living. Baby, live it, love it, your word. You don't need no other body. 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 Only if you want my body. Only if you want my body. Come on, get it. 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 Big shout out to Starboy, Big Wizzy, Lil Wizkid. Yes. Come on, get it. 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 Yeah. Yo, King, what did I say? Yo, Speezy, you crazy on this mix. Wizkid, Lil Wizkid, we spread love to the world. Huh. Ghana, Niger. Sapa movement. Yeah.